Welcome to my channel. Today we are discuss about colors. What is this? These are colors. These are marker colors. But these are different colors. How can we know about color? First we match the colors with letter. Then we know about color. This color is oh, match with A. This color is match with A. And this one is match with B. This one is match with C. And this one is match with D. And last one is match with E. These are the colors. Colors. Yellow color, red color, pink color, blue and orange color. Orange. A is orange color. A is in orange color. B in blue color. C in red color. D in pink color. And E in yellow color. Yellow, pink, red, blue and orange. Yellow, pink, red, blue and orange. A, A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D and E. Colors. Colors.